How to delete Wells Fargo transaction history. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete transaction history on Wells Fargo app. First, open the Wells Fargo app and log in. From the home screen, navigate to your account page. Next, look for the transactions option and click on it to open your transaction history. Here's where you can see all your past transactions. However, you might notice that there's no option to delete your transaction history directly. So the only way to delete your transaction history is by closing your checking or savings account or by closing your debit or credit card account. Unfortunately, there's no option to delete individuals' transaction, but if you need to remove all records, that's the only way. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.